let's see what B&H brought me. Let's see. It's got a lithium battery warning on there. This is Ken Rockwell of kenrockwell.com. Let's see, what did they bring me? It's a Nikon D850. This is the third D850 I've gotten from our friends at B&H, and to be honest, it's more than our friends. I've been buying from them for over 40 years. I've been buying from B&H since the 1970s. Let's see what we get. We get, most importantly, a NikonUSA.com register, camera accessory USA, as you should be able to see in the fine print. If you buy from any place else other than that, or especially if you buy at a retail store, watch out. You might get gray market, no warranty. We've got two printed manuals, one in Spanish and one in English. We open up the camera. Here we go. We've got a Nikon D850. One bag, two bags. It's got a cap. It's got a protector on the screen, which is really just a peel and throw away. No more hang tags. Nikon apparently got out of that since I bought my second and first ones back a while later. We've got this little guy, which is a plug for their ridiculous battery charger that uses multiple plugs. We've got their standard charger, which is one of my least favorite, that has this idiotic cockamamie. You have to plug into there or plug that stub on there. This is what you're going to do. You plug the stub like that, then you can do this and move it around, but you can't throw this in a bag because the prongs will break off. It doesn't have a folding plug like a proper charger. It's also got this cockamamie thing you slide the battery in, but that's not that bad. And here we have, this is the cable strain relief. If you're using cables for tethered mode on the D850, this helps not break the cables off or break the connector in the camera. That's what these two do. We've got this is a USB 3 cable. We've got a D850 strap, and we've got the D850 battery. And that's it. You should also be sure that the serial number on your box, which is right here in very fine print, matches the serial number on the camera, which is down here. And most importantly, the camera needs to match the serial number on your warranty card. If it doesn't match, you have no warranty and you got ripped off. It doesn't matter that the box actually matches, because if it doesn't match, it means you bought from a bad dealer who simply swapped the boxes, which means you bought a used camera. And hopefully you got a discount for that, but that's the difficulties of buying from other than good online stores. You'll notice also in very tiny print that says BK for black and US for the United States model. In any case, that's a Nikon D850 Boxing USA version. Thank you very much for watching KenRockwell.com.